Hi guys, so I'm going to explain the second activity for activity 1.5 for Bad Boy. So remember, you read Bad Boy in your textbooks and you already did a worksheet and reading comprehension questions for it. Now what I want you to do is we're going to sequence the events in the story, and we're going to do that by using activity 1.5 narrative structure. Now the reason why we're doing this is because you guys are going to need to write your own personal narrative. So what it's asking for you to do is to put what happened in the beginning of the story, in the middle of the story, and at the end. And then it's going to ask you about Walter and Mrs. Conway, and it's going to ask you to describe their character traits, meaning what are they like? How would you describe them? And then how do they change based on what's happening in the story. Finally, it ends with you having textual evidence for the character traits. So, for example, if you say Walter becomes very angry, you have to show me a quote in the story that says or shows that he's very angry. Now you do need to do that. You need to put quotation marks around the quote that you use, and then in parentheses, you're going to put the author's last name, so the author of the story, comma, and then the page number in the textbook. You're going to then close your parentheses and put a period. So if you have questions about that, let me know below, or you can ask your sub. But this does need to be submitted today. Thanks, guys.